Binance CEO will teach you about crypto and the Web3 on Masterclass. Binance CEO and Masterclass joined forces to launch a crypto course for beginners covering everything from Web3, DAOs, and other concepts. On December 8, Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, announced its partnership with Masterclass, an online education platform, to launch a course on cryptocurrencies and blockchain for the crypto-curious audience. The class will be led by Binance's CEO and founder, Changpeng Zhao, CZ, and is a joint effort between both entities to build a better ecosystem and prevent new users from losing their money. The masterclass, called Crypto and the Blockchain, will last for 3 hours and 40 minutes and will provide participants with the opportunity to learn about blockchain technology, Web3, DeFi, DAOs, and more from leading experts in both the crypto and mainstream finance industries. These experts include Changpeng Zhao, CZ, Emily Choi, President and COO of Coinbase, Chris Dixon, founder and managing partner of A16Z Crypto, and Paul Krugman, author, NEET columnist, and Nobel Prize-winning economist. Crypto and Blockchain 101, but experts are welcomed. The masterclass will cover essential topics on cryptocurrencies that will give newcomers a balanced view of the ecosystem and help them understand the industry's current state and where it is headed. However, more experienced individuals can also benefit from the class and find valuable insights in each lesson. Each participant will also have access to a downloadable crypto primer packed with explainers, activities, and illustrations to help them better understand the topics covered in the class. Binance bets on education to improve the crypto scene. Changpeng Zhao said that as civilization advances, it is necessary to understand new technologies in order to build business models that would be impossible using the outdated traditional financial system. On the announcement, he said there are new business models that can be built using the novel blockchain technology, which cannot be built using the methods and tools from the legacy financial system. In addition to the masterclass, Binance has also announced the launch of 6 courses and 29 modules through Binance Academy to teach basic knowledge about cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Upon completing the 6 free courses, users will receive an NFT certificate as proof of learning. Binance also launched new courses and quizzes on December 7 to allow users to earn rewards in BNB, BUSD, PolyX, and Algo as Christmas gifts. Otherwise, thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel for daily crypto updates. And comment below if you have any questions. Take care, see you in the next video.